Hi guys, so we're with, of course, our one and only
Future Obi!
Well guys, alam nyo ba, this person has been doing technical analysis and been giving very quality and high win rate ng mga signals natin sa Forex trading. That is why I'm really lucky and honored to be, of course, beside this person. And so,
I am so much more honored to be here with you because
I'm
this
so
is
sorry.
your team
Yeah.
and you are here at this office and we're about to do a presentation here.
Yeah.
So I'm so thrilled that I can do a presentation for your team. So,
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this opportunity. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity, of course, and I'm really grateful that you are here with us. I'm so starstruck because I'm just seeing this person in social media and all that signal providing, and now I'm here with him.
but I'm seeing you online and I know you're a big influencer, so I'm also starstruck at the same time, so we can be starstruck together.
So thank you guys because we are here with Obits, and if you guys be part of the economy, Obits will be providing you guys a very valuable signal that will definitely make you profitable in your trading journey. So he's been giving us this for free. For free, guys, and he's not asking for any payment for it. That's why I'm really grateful that you are part of our team.
Thank you so much. I'm a professional trader. I've been trading for 12 years and have been profitable for 7 years, and I've been living from trading for the past 5 years.
No, thank you, Obits, for this opportunity. And I'm really grateful for you.
So happy to be here. Thank you.
Thank you.